All right, welcome to episode 2 of traders selling their ass as if it's OnlyFans because they don't actually trade anything. Now, yesterday we featured someone named TJR, and today we're featuring none other than Mr. JDun. If you didn't know, JDun created a prop firm with a partner who got exposed for paper trading so that he can flex really big profits so that you guys can say, oh wow, I love this. Let me sign up for funded accounts through your prop firm. He got exposed. So if his business partner got exposed, what do you think JDun is doing? Why wouldn't he verify his business partner who's a trader and make sure he actually trades stocks and options or futures, whatever the case may be? All right. Anyway, he now works with Tradeify and he's selling you guys 40-50% off funded accounts so that you guys continue to fail those accounts so that he can make more and more money and flex those nice cars to you.